Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Amazon Electronics, where you get guided reviews and insights on the best electronics products. Today, we're going to talk about an amazing gadget for your car, the 4K dash cam front and rear with a 3 inches IPS touchscreen. Let's dive into the details. This 4K dash cam is packed with impressive features that make it a must-have for any car owner. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution, while the rear camera captures at 1080p. The 3-inch IPS touchscreen makes it incredibly user-friendly and easy to navigate. What sets this dash cam apart is its 170 degrees field of view with an adjustable lens, ensuring you capture everything happening around your car. It also comes with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing you to easily transfer footage to your phone and track your journey. Plus, it uses a modern Type-C connector for faster data transfer and charging. I've been using this 4K dashcam for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with its performance. The video quality, both during the day and at night, is exceptional. The night vision feature is particularly impressive, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions.
One of the standout features is the parking mode, which automatically starts recording if any movement or impact is detected while your car is parked. This provides an extra layer of security for your vehicle.
On the downside, the initial setup might be a bit tricky if you're not tech-savvy, but once it's set up, it's smooth sailing. Compared to other dash cams in the market, this one offers excellent value for money given its features and the free 32 GB card included. To sum up, the 4K dash cam front and rear is a top-notch device that combines high-quality video recording, advanced features like Wi-Fi, GPS, and night vision, all in a compact and user-friendly package. If you're looking for a reliable dash cam to enhance your driving experience and security, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Make sure to check out the link in the description to get yours today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Amazon Electronics for more guided reviews and insights on the best electronics products. See you in the next video.